You're watching How Leap. Let's measure your brand's perception using AI. You say AI-powered social listening and sentiment analysis tools. Platforms like Brandwatch, Sprout Social, or Hootsuite Insights use AI to scan social media, news sites, and forums for mentions of your brand, products, or keywords. The AI analyzes the language in these mentions to determine sentiment, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. It provides reports on overall brand health, key topics driving conversation, and emerging crises. You can also use Google E's natural language API for a custom analysis of review text or survey responses, set up alerts for sudden sentiment shifts. This AI-driven data gives you a quantitative measure of public perception far faster than manual analysis, allowing you to respond to trends and manage your brand reputation proactively. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.